I'll be showing you in this video how I'm using David Dobrik on TikTok to find me winning products for Shopify Dropship. Let's get right into it. Now, yes, you heard that correctly. I am using David Dobrik to find winning dropshipping products through his TikTok feed. Very simple process. I'm going to show you guys step by step how to do that. If you guys aren't already subscribed, make sure you do subscribe to my channel and make sure you watch through the entire video because I'll be giving away 2 products that are absolutely amazing that you can start testing today and get sales with. So I want to show you guys how I'm actually finding these videos. So I'm very active on TikTok and any new social media platforms that come up. Basically, I try to go where the attention goes to see what people are interested in and what the big influencers are talking about. And luckily enough, David Dobrik actually made a video on his TikTok about purchases he's made with TikTok ads, which is awesome. So here's the first video. I'm going to play it right now.
This is another thing I bought because of TikTok. Look at this piggy bank. Hello. It's kind of slow, but.
As you saw right in that video, that little panda, coin product is something that David Dobrik was talking about. Now let me show you first before I show you the Google Trends for this little panda product, I'm going to show you the trend for TikTok. And this is the Google Trends for TikTok. It has been going up ever since June 2018 and now it's pretty much almost at its peak, which means people are paying close attention to TikTok, and that's where their eyes are, and where their eyes go as a digital marketer, you want to pay attention to that and want to pay attention to the trends. Here's the Google trend for the little panda coin. I just searched it in googletrends.com, and as you can see, right, this video was posted 1 week ago, and on June 6th, the interest was 64. Before that, it was 0. And now it's actually trending up even higher. So it looks like it's going to have its highest search interest. Is that a coincidence that the week that David Dobrik posted about this, the search interest went up to 100? I don't know. I'll let you guys decide. But what I'll show you too is the product on AliExpress. It's right here. It's $10. As far as I can tell, it is not trademarked at all. There is a post on David Dobrik's TikTok right now. Actually, this product here, it is the Human Sling. Go to type this in humanslingshot.com, and it is a trademark product, so you don't want to sell this product. But this one right here, this little panda, looks to be safe. But you do need to do your own research just to make sure, right? And now before I show you the next product, I want to mention to you guys, if you are dropshipping right now, make sure you get into my free mentorship group, okay? We have limited spots available in that group. If you want to join the waitlist, please request to join. It's going to be the link down below. It should say free mentorship. Go ahead and click on that, join it, and I will be adding people in as space opens up. Now for the next product, here is the video on David Dobrik's story. It was part 6 of TikTok purchases that David made. Here's the video right now. This is the product on AliExpress. The product on AliExpress is a very, very cheap product, $3 to $5. It actually ships from the US, which is amazing. And you can sell this on your store around for, I would say, $25 to $30 with some upsells, maybe some tennis rackets or extra tennis balls, something like that you could upsell with. What I want to show you here is over the last 30 days, it hasn't been quite as big of a spike as before, but that is because it's a broader search term, tennis trainer. But overall, it has actually been trending upwards, which is good news. So that's really what you want to see on products like this. Now, anytime I show winning products, I always get asked the question, Connor, but which one should I sell? How should I sell it? What should I set up my product page as? And, in terms of the ad for this, right? Number 1 is do not use any footage with David Dobrik, obviously, because that is his footage. But what I would recommend you do is actually buy this product, ship it to yourself, and just record your reaction to the product. That's really all you need. As you noticed from his video, it wasn't his face cam. It wasn't anything with him in it. It was actually just the product and him, doing a voiceover saying like, hey, this is amazing. This is what I got on TikTok. You could do something similar to that where you don't even have to be in the video. You can just take your phone and take a video of the product, upload that, edit it a little bit, maybe send it to an editor if you need to, but just upload that to Facebook and start running ads on your page and get directing traffic to your Shopify store. It's as simple as that. Maybe it'll take you a couple extra weeks, rather than using footage that's out there online, but this is going to be the safer way if you really want to succeed in dropshipping. That's what I'd recommend you do rather than stealing footage. Right now, if you guys have not been aware, Facebook is banning a ton of dropshipping accounts, pages, ad accounts everywhere, right? I've been thankful enough that mine hasn't gotten banned, but they're banning a lot of people out there, and they're banning actually a lot of scammy dropshippers, which is good for us legit dropshippers out there that are really trying to give our customers as much value as possible. But you just need to be cautious about that because there are repercussions for your actions if you do use footage from other people's videos. You don't want to be stealing content, especially right now with Facebook's watchful eye. Let me just go back to these two products, okay? So the tennis ball product I think is great, but it did have a big spike a couple months ago. If you look on the Google Trends here, I'll go back from 30 days to, let's go like 12 months. If you notice, right, it did have a big spike here in March, which makes me think that maybe it's slightly on the downtrend. It has been on the downtrend. Obviously, the search interest is way lower than it was, but it is picking up just a little bit, which is good news. So, because of that, I think that this little panda product is more of an untapped winner. So I really classify winners in two different categories. One is going to be the untapped winner, which I would classify as this little panda product, and the other is going to be maybe like a baseline winner, I'd call it, right? Where it's, has a little bit more demand for it, more people are selling it, and there's a lot more content out there. With an untapped winner, you're going to have to do a little bit more work, but the reward is going to be 10 times greater than it would be of a baseline winner. So when it comes to untapped winners like this product, this is something you need to jump on as soon as possible. Check the reviews for this product, test the quality, get a video created ASAP. I mean, you could have this shipped to you in a couple weeks. I bet there's a seller on Amazon selling this right now. Ship it to your house, take a video, upload it to Facebook, let me know how it does. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this strategy of finding winning products. I'm going to be providing you every Monday winning product videos. So I drop 2 videos every day, Monday through Friday, and then 1 video on Saturday and Sunday. If you guys aren't already subscribed, make sure you do so. Thank you guys for watching. As always, my name is Connor Chapman. Keep your mind right. Peace.